You can use the jump to cursor command while debugging to immediately jump program execution to the current cursor position. Now, it's not supported for every language that you can debug in VS Code, but it is supported for Python files, so let's take a look at it here. Now, I'm going to start debugging this Python file just by pressing F5 here. You can see that the debugger is starting up, and I've hit the breakpoint that I set right before this for loop. Now, I could start stepping into this for loop itself, and you can see it's going to start printing out the numbers here as I'm stepping into this. Let's say that I actually wanted to go and jump to this line here. Now, there's two actual options for doing that. So I'm going to put my cursor on this line down at line 6 here. One of them would be to use the run to cursor command. So if I open up the command palette and say run to cursor, that would actually go and continue through the rest of the for loop and then run down to line 6 there where it would then break. Now, the other one, and the one we're looking at now, though, is called jump to cursor. And jump to cursor is a little bit different because it will not actually execute anything in between where we're trying to jump to and where the program execution state currently is. So it will immediately jump to wherever our cursor is in the program and skip all of these statements in between. So I'm going to run jump to cursor here, and you can see that none of the other numbers in this for loop have been printed off, so we still just have 0, 1, 2, and it's immediately jumped down to this last line where it's going to print the end statement. So again, the difference between jump to cursor and run to cursor is that run to cursor will continue through the normal program flow until it reaches the cursor position. Jump to cursor will just skip everything and immediately jump the program execution to wherever your cursor is. Now, keep in mind that jump to cursor is not available in every language. There's only some certain languages that actually support it, but it is available in these Python files. So that's a quick look at jump to cursor in VS Code.